Today I'm going to be going over deploying a front-running bot on PancakeSwap with a wrapped BNB pair. Okay, so if you just follow the description of the video as far as downloading MetaMask and also funding it, make sure that it's connected to the Binance Smart Chain and that it's about halfway there. Then you just follow over to Remix, which is the window I'm started on right now, remix.ethereum.org. This is where we're going to be building our contract. So you can pause this video if you need time right now. I'm going to go into contracts. Under contracts, I'm going to create a new contract, which is with this new file. Create this new file icon on the top left here. We're going to title this contract Front Run Bot. Let's see. Okay. We're going to copy the contract information that I put in the description. Couple of items to look at here is lines 50 and 51 here. If you follow those addresses on that's the input addresses for the wrapped BNB token, which I should have up here. Yeah. So this is that address. It's the token tracker for wrapped BNB, because that's where we're going to be working against, as well as also the pancake router for PancakeSwap version 2, which all of that information is preloaded through a function manager that routes back to a Node.js file, which was built with a VS Code. So this can be run and injected with Web3, which how we get there by deploying the contract is we go to the compiler, which is built with Pragma Solidity 6.6, which is the version of Remix that this was compiled in. So we go to version 6.6, Solidity. Yeah, that's it. Let me go compile the front run bot. There we go. We compiled. So we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Okay, go to the next menu and make sure you don't have any other deployed contracts out there. Yeah, so we're gonna do injected Web3. Make sure that your wallet is connected to Remix. So how you can make sure that it is connected to Remix is that this should show connected, which it doesn't. So let me connect. All right, so it says that I'm connected now. So this little light should turn green that shows that you've connected. Now it should let us deploy this. And there we go. We paid a little gas. That should be fine. I can confirm that. So we should get a transaction confirmation here, right at the bottom. And now we have our deployment utility right here, which once you drop down will give you some information like action token name, token symbol. Right now, we're just going to copy that contract to make sure that it shows up in the Binance Smart Chain in BSC Scan. So I copy that, I paste it in BSC Scan. We can see that it's in the address there now. So the next step in this process is just funding your contract, which is pretty simple. Let's go to your wallet. Let's click on MetaMask, this. See, it took a little bit of gas. I just started with 1 BNB and now we're down a couple of cents. So we're just gonna send some funds to that contract that we just created. Make sure I got the right address in there. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do 0.5 BNB. Actually, might just make it 1. A little bit extra sometimes helps. So that way we can make sure that we make an impact on the liquidity once we interact with the contract. That just adds liquidity within PancakeSwap. Okay. We'll just wait. Give it a moment. There we go. So the transaction is confirmed, so it was sent to the contract. Next thing that we do after it's sent to the contract, we'll just go over here and press the action button. And then it engages all the constructors that are built in as far as engaging the pancake router It automatically buys and sells for you. So how that works is that it will transact the liquidity as soon as it's added to a token. Then it gives it generally, let me see. You put it in with this variable that had to be just 1 minute before the action sells. So you are basically just doing an automated buy and sell within 1 minute, so it'll find the liquidity. Buy into that project, so that way it will front run at the retail investors that come in. So you'll only be competing with other bots on the mempool. It will automatically sell within 1 minute, and then from there it will take 90%. It will automatically transit it back to your wallet. The remaining 10% will stay within the front running protocol. And that 10% will automatically keep sniffing out for liquidity. The front run bot will transfer the profit back to your wallet. I've had really good luck with this in the last few weeks. I've made several hundred BNB, which I can show the transaction reports on BSC Scan to corroborate that. But without further ado, let's go click action and we'll start the contract. We usually only need to wait a couple of minutes before we get back a deposit or get a deposit back into our address. So I'm going to confirm, I'm going to click this. It's going to ask for another signature. So we confirm with a little bit extra gas fee. So let's just wait so that way we can have our contract look for liquidity within PancakeSwap. And once it finds it, it will automatically transact. Generally, this takes about a minute. There's new contracts with added liquidity pretty much every minute of the day because everyone's coming out with their new little rug pull trash going. But at least if we can get ahead of that, we can make a little bit of profit as soon as they drop the liquidity. Because we're buying out on the same block of the liquidity. So there's, anyone who's transacting directly through PancakeSwap, we're going to be in front of them. Okay. Let's see. Let me take a look. I can almost guarantee you that I got something back now and yeah, there we go. It's already around 15 times. So the longer we wait, that will automatically reinvest to 10% and it transfers back to 90%. So the actual profit was a little bit higher than that. There's still 10% in that front running pool that's still looking for liquidity. You can run this cycle multiple times a day, so you can have upwards of 100 BNB a day if you use a larger amount than what I started with. Well, good luck. Happy front running.